What's up, guys? I have an amazing stock that could potentially double your money in the relative short term, and it is Virgin Galactic SPCE. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some fundamental news, and we are also going to be breaking down the stock on a technical level and giving some accurate price predictions. So if you guys want to learn more about SPCE, if you find out if it's a good buy for you, if it's a good time to get in, when to get in, all of these questions are going to be answered in this video, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is my second YouTube channel. My other one, MYLESGINVESTMENTS. I do primarily cryptocurrencies, but I recently created a channel to do only stocks. So I have been trading, investing over 12 years. I have a lot of experience. I've made a lot of mistakes, made a lot of failures, but I've also made a lot of successes. And each of these successes I want to share with you through my own personal experience to help you make a lot of money. All right, guys, this is my second YouTube channel. My first YouTube channel, I primarily do cryptocurrencies. But in this channel, I'm only focusing on the stock market and stocks and investing in the stocks. So if you guys want to make a lot of money through the stock market, you can use my expertise in technical analysis. And I have been investing and trading over 12 years. So these experiences, this knowledge and wisdom in the market, I want to share with you. So if you want to make a lot of money, because I call out big plays before they happen, as you look at my previous videos, you can see the stocks that I've called out. They are already in massive profits. So if you want to make massive profits, you want to make a lot of money, make sure you guys go ahead and like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a time-sensitive video, because a lot of videos that I am going to be calling out, a lot of videos that I'm going to be making, they're going to be making big profits. Guys, also feel free to join the Discord. We have over 500 members. We talk about stocks and cryptos. We have a lot of very knowledgeable people in there, so make sure you guys go ahead and join that. And if you want to get my private stock alerts, check out my Patreon. It's only $5. You can help to support the channel, and I would appreciate to see you guys there. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and break this stock down. Look, Virgin Galactic performed about 14%, up $4 today, and we are going to see a massive rebound to $40 in the relative short term, because look, if we look at a further chart, we see that we topped out around $60 and have been selling off ever since that day. Ever since February 11th, we have been falling down and falling down sharply. Now, this stock was massively shorted, and a lot of these short sellers have finally taken their profits, and now we are starting to see a rebound in this Spac and this stock to the upside. Now, we must understand that tech, this is included in the tech space. A lot of SPACs, they've been beaten down illogically because a lot of people have just been selling, taking their profits Q1 from Q4, and it's been causing the market and tech sector to be beaten down, which is fine, guys, because it provides for us a buying opportunity to continue to make more profit. Congratulations to those of you who bought the dip in Virgin Galactic, but I believe that we are still in the dip and that we are going to see a possible V-shaped recovery in the relative short term, because we have certain catalysts and catalysts that aren't even directly related to the stock, like the stimulus getting enacted, the stimulus getting done, the stimulus getting printed, more money into the economy, more money into people's hands who are going to be putting this directly into this stock and many other stocks in the stock market. So just the stimulus will potentially bring this thing up to $40 in a week to potentially 2 weeks, who knows, even more. But I believe that we are going to come up and test $60 in the relative short term and test all-time highs, and we are going to see what is going to be happening at that point. But guys, I'm sure a lot of you have been asking, well, Chamath has sold all of his shares of SPCE. Does that mean that we should get out of it too? Should we follow the big money? No, guys, because Chamath, he had to sell his shares because he lost $2 billion during the whole market correction. Yes, he lost $2 billion. So he's been in a lot of speculative plays. He's helped to bring this thing to fruition, but he just wanted to reallocate some of his funds to put something into stronger convictions. But guys, if we look right here, in this paragraph, it says, in an emailed statement through a spokesperson on Friday, Chamath said he would redirect the funds from the share sale towards a large investment focused on the fight against climate change. So what we are seeing is that he just wanted to reallocate some of his wealth into other plays that he feels that are more important for him at this moment. It doesn't mean that SPCE is going to crash. It doesn't mean it's not a good buy. More so the opposite, because it helped to bring the stock down, which gives us a buying opportunity at a cheaper price. And I believe at these levels, we are certainly going to see a lot of volume like we've seen historically at these levels for SPCE, but that this thing is about to rock in and hit the moon. And if we take a further look on a technical chart, what we can see, look at all this volume right here and look at where it was at, $35. So we are seeing a lot of volume in this price range, 26 to 30. We saw that today. Look at all this volume. But there's going to be a lot more volume with stimulus and everything else coming in. But once we start raising up, once we start reversing to the upside, because we are in a retracement, we are going to see a lot of buying volume, and it's going to potentially carry us up to 40 to 50 and eventually maybe $60. So we have a bunch of catalysts in the future, like one of their ships, I believe in May is going to be happening. They had a failure previously, but there's going to be another launch, so that's going to be a good catalyst. And then we have more people piling into this thing. We have a lot of institutional holdings, and we have you know, this is it is a growth stock. There's a lot of hype around it, and a lot of young investors, especially people who are going to be getting a stimulus check, they love buying this thing. A lot of day traders love getting in this thing because it moves so fast. So guys, personally, I would like to see this stock at $40 after the stimulus. If it gets passed, maybe by the end of next week, we could see potentially $40. It could be less or more. But look, guys, we're up nearly $4 today, and we're $10 away. So just a couple of more green days could potentially put us in that $40 price range. But look at, guys, there's a massive gap right here between $38 and $40. So that had to be filled, and it's got to be filled. So we're going to come up and most likely fill that, guys, at $42 by the end of next week. It all depends on economically the status of the stock market, what is going to be going on as a whole within tech and everything else. But I truly believe that this thing could potentially double at least in 6 months. At least in 6 months, especially if we see a massive recovery in the economy and the stock market. So if you guys liked today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe and share it with some of your friends. I'd really appreciate it. And come talk to me in the Discord. Check out the Patreon if you want some awesome plays. I do my private stock alerts. I have over a $75,000 portfolio that I show you guys. So if you guys are interested in that, please check it out, and I will see you guys tomorrow.